So the reigning dancehall queen Spice has not been too far away from the media spotlight recently. We're seeing where she and an American-based dancehall DJ, Dovey Magnum, I really don't know who she is still, have a Instagram battle of sorts going on where she called out Spice recently saying that she was wearing fake Gucci. Spice have since responded to that, stating that she did wear about $4,000 worth of Gucci. You understand what I say? Approximately $500,000 Jamaican dollars. We also saw where American TV and social media personality Kendall, something like that, took a dig at Spice about her blue hair, calling her a smurf and say her eyebrows whack on them something there. So we're going to look into them stories a piece. So when my circle, I soon forward. Dancehall artist calls out Spice for wearing fake Gucci. Spice has come under fire from fellow female recording artists Dovey Magnum, but I won't name some. I really don't know who that's still for allegedly wearing fake Gucci. So what? On Monday, the Queen of Stage uploaded a photo on her Instagram account decked in the Italian luxury brand Gucci. Lover, the Smurf out here looking like $1 million. She wrote. So that is what Spice used to caption the photo. Magnum immediately took to her Instagram story to seemingly shade the Needle Eye singer. All I am seeing is fake Gucci. Side note, when you wearing fake shit, don't pop up talking shit. Oh, what, you a lover forever? She wrote. Boy, we are telling peeps. Spice responds to Dovey Magnum and shows her Gucci receipt. So people have stated earlier that American-based dancehall DJ took throw shades at Spice after she uploaded a picture decked out in all Gucci recently. The lady said, "I be a fake thing Spice aware." However, Spice is now showing her receipts and has a few words to say about the sick in my head singer. So after she posted the pictures of the receipt, she also made a post in terms of commenting, "Whoa!" At Clapback Entertainment, if my love that send there one more time, you see, cause she have sense and know things. If I laugh, I dead. Them I go buy a rope boy, you know. Oh God, poor thing is saddy. Bitch, I was standing in over $4,000. That is $500,000 Jamaican. Go S your mother, that Spice I say. Zane, Spice continue. By the way, at Clapback Entertainment, my son reach home and send in my receipt them. And you not have to hide my ID cause I want she buy the rope by tomorrow if she wake. Females. USTV personality received death threats after throwing Spice in Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. Kendall has been receiving death threats following his comments about Spice. On Monday, the US-based social media sensation turned TV personality took aim at the Indicator DJ's iconic blue hair and their eyebrows in Love and Hip Hop Atlanta after she landed a role when the cast took a trip to Jamaica earlier this year. This is what that fella had to say. Who the F is this? He questioned. She done smurf the F out of her virgin ear depot. What the F is going on? And her name is Spice. Girl, with that color you should have thought twice. He had it while laughing. But blue though, it's enough for me. He continued. Kendall then started to discuss Spice's eyebrows, saying they were whack. Lord, it's a nap, he said. Since his video went viral, scores of Spice fans and Jamaicans took to Kendall's Instagram account to leave degrading comments and death threats. He has since disabled comments on the post, which racked up over 525,000 views. I suppose that could be a positive for Spice in terms of its promotion. But that brother is still peace. Between me and still. Him kind of look and sound gay still. So read this Kendall dude. I suppose no publicity is bad publicity, as they say. So I am sure that a few persons would have come to know about Spice as a result of his rant or trolling of Spice. So I suppose it's a win-win still. That dude is still for behave like a dude. You understand? I'm not sure if him feel like say he is behaving as such. But when I watch the clip, him kind of really look and sound shaky. You understand? Fix up yourself, my general. See, now with this Dovey Malcolm, I don't know that girl there. And I'm not disrespecting. I'm not even going to search her in a piece. I just don't know her. You understand me? Because I must say it's a long time rival of Spice and a bag of something. You see me? So big up yourself still, mama. And if Spice post something still, it means she a lurk. You understand what I mean? Because if Spice post her thing and then she'll comment and do them something, it means that she a lurk Spice thing. You see me? I say, so right now it show you who are the boss. See? So baby girl, big up yourself still. Spice, you know peeps, me and Spice kind of have a love-hate type of relationship still. I love Spice as a dancer, female artist, you understand? I really she fly the dancehall flag in the female space right now. But Spice have done some things in recent times I'm not to agree with, you understand? And you know, I'm not really afraid to voice my concern irrespective of who involved in the situation. So I love Mama as a dancehall queen at the moment, but she need to check herself more times still. I realize that people kind of run in on her thing and try to seek some press and some fame. But I suppose when you are the big dog, I saw the little puppy them running, you understand? I look a piece of the food said way. So go and do your things still, Grace. Go and put in the work. You say me the pan, you don't know anything set up, you know. Hard work, key to success. Yeah, some boy no put in the work and expect to get the best. Peeps, me gone. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.